Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adrian Almuzaki. I'm from class EF23F. My NPM is 23312219. Today I want to explain about sistem kompilasi mata kuliah organisasi arsitektur komputer. First, programming language. A programming language is a language that is a means for human to communicate with computer. The unstructured human mind must be structured so that it can communicate with computer. Computer require certainty and correct logic to be able to carry out certain instruction. For this reason, a good and correct algorithm is needed. Machine language. Machine language is a language that contains machine code that can only be interpreted directly by a computer machine. Machine language is often also called native code. It really depends on the particular machine. This language is the lowest level language and it is the form of binary codes 0 and 1. A collection of instructions in machine language can form microcode, a kind of procedure in machine language. Assembly language. It is a symbolic form of machine language, considered to be the first programming language in the form of string and easier for human to understand. Its machine language code has its own symbol in assembly language. A collection of assembly language code can form macro instruction. Assembly language also has its own debug program, unlike machine language. High-level language. This language is closer to human language. This language also provides many facilities to make programming easier. For example, variable, data types, constant, control structure, loops, function, procedures, and so on. Generasi ketiga, Pascal atau C++. Generasi keempat, DLP, VB, VBNet, Visual, Fox Pro. Generasi kelima, Programming Language Based Object Oriented atau OOP, dan Web Development. Biasanya bahasa pemrograman ini akan dipakai untuk akses database serta membuat expert system atau knowledge based system. Translator. Translator melakukan pengubahan source code atau source program ke dalam target kode atau objek kode atau objek program. Source code is written in the source language. Object code is in the form of another programming language atau machine language on a computer. So the translator reads a program written in the source language and translates the source language into another language. When carrying out the translator process, the translator will report any oddities atau error that may be found. Assembler. Apart from high-level language and machine language, there are other languages called assembly language. Assembly language is somewhere between high-level language and machine language. Is it closer to machine language than high-level language? These are also called low-level language. This language is not as easy to read and understand for programmers as high-level programming language. The assembler works as a translator in converting assembly language program into machine code. Lanjutan. Assembly definition is software that convert program written in assembly language to machine language. Function assembler. Assembler convert assembly language program into machine language. Function assembler. Assembler converts assembly language program into machine language. Interpreter. Definition: an interpreter is software that translates high-level language program into machine language. Function: interpreters convert high-level language program to machine language line by line. Language like Ruby, Perl, Python, PHP use interpreters. Compiler. Definition: a compiler is software that convert program written in high-level language to machine language. Function: the compiler convert the entire high-level and program to machine language at a time. Language like C, or C++ use compilers to convert code. All information in a system, including disk files, program stored in memory, user data stored in memory, and data transferred over a network, is represented as a set of bytes. The only thing that differentiates different data objects is the context in which we view them. For example, in different contexts, the same byte sequence might represent an integer, a floating point number, a character string, or a machine instruction. File like hello s that only consists of ASCII character are known as text file. All other files are known as binary files. Hello s, which contains an assembly language program. Its statement in an assembly language program precisely describes one low-level machine language instruction in standard text form. Assembly language is useful because it provided a common output language for different compiler for different high-level language. For example, the C compiler and the Fortran compiler both produce output file in the same assembly language. Processing. Hardware organization of a typical system, CPU atau Central Processing Unit, habis itu ALU atau Arithmetic Logic Unit, PC, Program Counter, USB Universal Serial Bus. Preprocessor. At this stage, the compiler remove all code containing the include instruction and then adds file inclusion. After that, define is also replaced by macro expansion. The result of this process is called assembly language. This language is somewhere between HLL and binary. Assembly language. Assembly language is an intermediary that can combine machine command as well as some data that will be useful in the next process. Compilation phase. The compiler translates the hello text file into the text file hello s, which contain an assembly language program. The program includes the following main function definition. Each line 2-7 in this definition describe one low-level machine language instruction in textual form. Assembly language is useful because it provided common output language for different compiler for different high-level language. For example, the C compiler and the Fortran compiler both produce output file in the same assembly language. Assembler phase. Next, the assembler translates hello is into machine language instruction, package them in a form known as a relocable object program, and store the result in the hello s object file. This file is a binary file containing 70 bytes to encode instruction for the main function. If we look at hello without a text editor, it will look like gibberish. Linking phase. Note that the hello program calls the print function, which is part of the standard C library provided by every C compiler. The print function is in a separate pre-compiled object file called print_o, which doesn't know how to combine with the hello program. The linker handles this merging. The result is a hello file, which is an executable or simply executable object file ready to be loaded into memory and executed by system. Manfaat. Apart from the main use of translating HLL into machine language in creating application or the web, there are many other benefits that can be experienced when using a compiler, including Pertama, the compiler verifies all programs so that it is impossible to find semantic or syntax error. Kedua, files can be executed faster because they have been optimized by the compiler. Tiga, allow the creation of internal structure in memory. 4. The program does not have to run on the machine used to build it. 5. The entire program can be changed to another language. 6. File can be created on disk and made in executable. 7. Assist in handling language performance issue. Conclusion. Understanding compiler will really help you in application or web development. Compiler are also important tools used by developers in their daily life. After getting to know this tool well, you will develop various applications and webs more efficiently. Thank you guys for watching. Jika ada salah kata saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.